Things in the house. Get a pen and paper. Write down the numbers, from 1 to 20 on your paper. Listen, and read the question, then write down one answer. If your answer is in the top 3, you get points. You have 10 seconds to write down your answer. Are you ready? Name something you can sit on. Name something you use to cook. Name something you use to clean the floor. Name something you find in the bathroom. Name something you open and close. Name something you see in a bedroom. Name something that makes noise. Name something you put your feet on. Name something you put on the wall. Name something you can put your clothes in. Name something you plug in. Name something you can lock. Name something you turn on. Name something you see in a kitchen drawer. Name something you can see on a bed. Name something you see on a dinner table. Name something you find near the front door. Name something you put on your bedside table. Name something you use to fix things in the house. Name something you can see at the balcony. Good job.